Welcome to our discussion on artificial intelligence guardrails. We'll explore the implications of using protective measures against dangerous ideas and how they might shape our thinking. Let's delve into analyses from ChatGPT and Google Gemini. AI safety discussions often focus on what slips through, like misinformation and harassment. However, a crucial question remains: what ideas are abandoned due to institutional costs? AI organizes thought, not just information, leading to silent, accumulating damage when optimized for institutional survival. Organizations prioritize avoiding controversy due to measurable risks. Avoiding controversy yields no headlines, preserving institutional safety. Enabling hard discussions incurs reputational costs. Solving controversial problems offers little visible reward. This leads to conservative behavior, not by design failure, but as a rational outcome. The incentive structure quietly suppresses ideas at scale. Truth optimization seeks explanations that align with evidence, driving progress through challenging questions. In contrast, liability optimization focuses on minimizing organizational risk, prioritizing institutional survival over truth. This divergence creates systems that appear safe but hinder meaningful progress, as they avoid engaging with difficult yet necessary reforms. Traditional censorship is overt, but the invisible muzzle is subtle. Users learn to avoid topics requiring defensive justification, leading to self-regulation. This chilling effect, as analyzed by Google Gemini, shapes thought boundaries, making conversations emotionally inefficient without explicit silencing. Social media shapes visibility. Artificial intelligence shapes reasoning. This shift has profound societal implications. Entrepreneurs abandon complex questions, researchers avoid controversy, and citizens disengage from public discourse. As inquiries lose nuance, technology mirrors institutional anxiety, stifling intellectual diversity and civic reasoning. The focus should shift from what artificial intelligence permits to what it discourages. Guardrails must differentiate between harmful advocacy and exploring tough questions. Artificial intelligence's role is not just harm prevention, but ensuring rigorous inquiry thrives. The real threat is not artificial intelligence's refusals, but the unasked questions of future generations.